So guys, today I am taking the next point of concave mirror. I was teaching you the image formations in concave mirror. This I was taking, and the sixth was very important. When object is placed at infinity. When object is placed at infinity, what will happen? What should be the ray diagram? What should be the nature of an object of a mirror image form? We will see here. You see, this is a mirror, concave mirror, and this is a principal axis. This is pole, point pole. N is aperture. It is a focus, and this is center of curvature. This all definition of terms, you should be very careful about it, that you should know what is focus, what is center of curvature. Now what will happen if object is placed this up to infinity here? For example, this is the size of object AB. What will happen? The rays which comes out from the object which is parallel to the principal axis. These are the rays. So you can see by arrow. We are just showing by an arrow. What will happen after reflection from the mirror? This is mirror, concave mirror. It will pass through a focus. This will come to focus here. And if another rays comes, if you want to see this, then this is also we will meet to this point F. So what should be the nature of image? Nature will be what? Nature should be, number one, it will be a point size. Point size, very small object at focus, where it will form, image will be formed at focus. And this is point size, that is called diminished, very small. And this is real and inverted. A real and inverted image. So you have to keep this in your mind, on what different position, what type of image is forming, and what type of nature we are going to observing. But two diagrams in these diagrams with the concave mirror. Now we are coming to convex mirror. Convex mirror. How the image is formed with convex mirror, this we will take care of. The same methodology we are going to have with concave mirror, but there are only two positions. When object is kept in front of, this is the polish. This is our first. What we are taking? We are taking when object is placed in front of, first, when object is placed in front of convex mirror. With convex mirror, there are no such type of six places anywhere in front of convex mirror. What we will do? We can able to see here. This is our mirror. This is polish. Now this is principal axis. This is, we can show here, this is focus inside, and this is center of curvature inside the mirror. Now say for example, if object is placing in front of mirror, for example here object A, B is placing here, what will happen? First ray will go parallel to the principal axis. This will go parallel to the principal axis. After it will go parallel to the, it will diverge. Diverge in this side, this diverge in this side. And the second ray, which will go towards center of curvature, it will go and it will come back to center of curvature. And if we see, when it will go this side, then these two rays will never meet. Then where they will meet? Because to find the image, two rays must be meet at one place. Then what we will do? We will produce just behind, and we say that these two rays meet inside the mirror, and then A dash B dash, new image will be formed behind the mirror. अब जितने भी mirrors, जितने भी images है which is behind the mirror, it will be a virtual and erect. Erect means straight. This will be the. Then what will be the nature of object? Nature of image. Nature of image form. You have to remember only these diagrams and what is the image nature. So what will be the nature? It is number one. This is pole. Number one. Image is formed behind the mirror. First thing. Or between P and F. Pole and focus. Between pole and focus, this image will be formed behind the mirror. And what will be its nature? It will be a virtual, and all virtual images are real, virtual and straight, erect. Virtual and erect. And third thing, it is comparatively small. Our object was in such size. Image is small, diminished. Diminished means small in size. Diminished than objects. Then object. So this is the first position. If you keep here at focus, see here, at any place in front of convex mirror, then the situation will be same as we are seeing in this diagram. And the other is that now we are rubbing it. Now you can able to see the second position when object is placed at infinity. What will happen if object is placed at infinity? Then what will be the diagram? Ray diagram will be in such a way that this is our mirror, this is aperture, this is principal axis. What will happen? The rays which are coming from object, for example, the rays will be parallel rays. Say this rays, this is coming. Okay, what will happen? The ray which comes at angle I, it will go at angle R. It obeying laws of reflection. Okay, and another ray which comes also parallel, this will come towards center of curvature. ठीक है ना? It will also on this angle, it will go this side. What will happen if we produce this is just behind the mirror. Behind the mirror they will meet. A very small object A dash B dash will be formed behind the screen, behind the mirror. This is object. Object is at infinity. AB is object behind the screen. So what should be the nature? Nature होगा nature of image. First, behind the mirror, behind the mirror, and basically it will form at the focus, at focus. You have to remember this thing. Second, virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. And third will be what is the size? Highly diminished. Highly, point size. Highly diminished means point size. So this is all about image formation in concave mirror and convex mirror. The uses of concave mirror and convex mirror we have already stated, but one thing very clear, you should be clear in your mind that the advantage of convex mirror, what is the advantage over plane mirror, this we can able to tell you. What will happen in plane mirror? Plane mirror. If we place mirror in such a way, and we see this gives, for example, if we give the light, here is normal, this here, this here, it gives the view. This is view. We can able to see the view of objects up to a certain limited criteria, not very large. But in place of plane mirror, this is what? Plane mirror. If we curve it is in such a way, this is plane mirror, this is mirror, convex mirror. Now we are using convex mirror. Then what will happen? The rays which are coming from objects will come in this place. It will go again, it will reflect back, and it will go this side. Then the view is comparatively more view. Means with the help of convex mirror, we can see the larger view. Have you seen in CRPF or in shopping malls and so many shops, the shopkeepers placed in convex mirror in front of him so that he can able to see the whole view of his shop. Because what will give this convex mirror will form the small image. We have seen earlier also. It is diminished images of the larger images. So whole of the shop view can be able to see in a small convex mirror. This is the advantage. What the person is purchasing, what is doing, he can able to see. So it works as a spy mirror also in the shopping malls or shopping shops in the market. So you should be very careful about this thing. Now I am coming to next part of this this mirror side. We will do some numericals. To solve such type of numericals, we have some conventions available with us. Sign convention. Then we will do sign convention. For each and every student, this sign convention is very, very important, because this is for what? For numericals. Numericals. To solve the numericals, we have to consider the sign convention. Without these, we cannot able to solve any problem, any question. So first of all, we understand, you already know that what is Cartesian system. As you know, all of you, in 9th class mathematics, if you go, this is a Cartesian system. When we divide a plane into 4 parts, this is called quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3rd, quadrant 4th. These are 4th quadrant. And also the sign of the quadrant. This is plus, this is axis, plus x, this is minus x, plus y, this is minus y. And this is known as origin. So what we will do in physics, in mirror, we keep our mirror at origin. Or by convention, we are taking concave mirror first. So this is our concave mirror. This is concave mirror. And we have polished it. In such a way, we place a concave mirror in such a way that its pole will coincide on origin. This pole and origin is on the same plane. By convention, what we consider, that all the lights are coming from objects, and object is always placed at the left side of the mirror. Object is placed on left side of the mirror. This is our object AB. Always in convex mirror and concave mirror, both, we will consider that object is placed on the left side of the mirror. Then we are taking here the distances of object. This is our convention. Distance of object we considered as u from the pole. All the distance we will measure from the pole, and we consider that light is coming from left to right. Left to right side. This is our convention. This is light. Light is coming from left to right. And what will happen? All the distances which we measure from the pole of the mirror, if we go left, then it will take in as a negative. You will be always negative, whatever the distance will be. If u is 25, we will consider as negative 25, not positive 25. And if image is also forming, the distance, this is u is what? Distance of object from the pole. Distance of object from pole. This is u. And what will we take? V, small v. This is all small letters. Small v. This is the distance of image from pole. From pole. So sign convention gives about the idea of distance. What is the sign? If image is real, then it will negative, and if it is virtual, then it will positive. So we can be negative or we can be positive. It depends upon the situation, what type of situation going on. This is V. F is what? This is focal length. Focal length of mirror. You can see focal length of concave mirror. F for concave, it is positive, and F for convex, it is negative. So this is our sign convention. Okay, and height of the object. Height of object. This AB, if it is height above the principal axis, ठीक है ना? above principal axis. This will be positive, and below it will be a negative. So this is all sign convention. Without this sign convention, it is very difficult for us to solve the problems. So we will take some problems from the book, and one by one. For this we will use a mirror formula to solve the problem. So we will write a mirror formula by knowing this. So mirror formula will be used. This is mirror formula. Mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is the distance of the image from the pole, distance of object from the pole small u, and F is focal length of convex or concave mirror. So you should be very careful about this formula, and we will do some questions over it. Okay, to know magnification. Okay, one more term is also coming, that is called magnification. How much object is? Magnification means what? How much the size of object as size of image as compared to size of object. So we represent it by letter M, and its formula is basically height of the object, height of image, basically height of image upon height of object. We called it I, we called it O. This we also represent is as I upon U, and also it is equal to minus V upon U. So this is a formula which you have to remember directly to know the magnification. What is the size of object, or we call it, we also say this H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. Instead of I upon O, we can use H2 upon H1. So basically both formulas are the same. Just to write, this is a method to write. Magnification basically will give you the idea of the image form. What type of image is forming, whether it is enhancing means magnifying or decreasing. We will do some more questions over which we can able to find. So write down a question. I am writing here. First question we will do, find the size. Question 1, find size, nature, है ना? Find the size, nature and position of image, and position of image formed by the mirror, using the mirror formula, by concave mirror, formed by concave mirror by using formula. ठीक है ना? Find the size formed by an object by formed by concave mirror by an object whose size is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a mirror, और मिरर की फोकल लेंथ दी हुई है 10 सेंटीमीटर. हाउ वी विल सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो बहुत ढंग से समझिएगा. हमको साइज पूछा यानी मैग्नीफिकेशन हमको बता देगा कि साइज क्या होता है. नेचर भी वही बताएगा. पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज कि हाउ मच डिस्टेंस. इमेज पोजीशन को हम कहते हैं डिस्टेंस बताता है हमको वो स्मॉल वी, वो हमें पता करना है. सॉल्यूशन देखिए हम कैसे करेंगे, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहली चीज़ हमको वी नहीं पता. जो चीज़ें हमको नहीं पता वो हमें यहाँ लिखना है. हमको वी नहीं पता क्या है. हमको साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट पता करना है तो वो हमें बता देगा. लीनियर मैग्नीफिकेशन से हम निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर साइज आता है, साइज वर्ड आता है. उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट साइज, ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज दिया हुआ है यानी ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज दिया हुआ है यानी हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट दी हुई है जिसको हम h1 बोलते हैं. हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इसको h1 बोलते हैं. ये भी हमको नहीं मालूम. हमको दिया हुआ है एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 15 सेंटीमीटर ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड यानी u 15 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द मिरर और फोकल लेंथ दी हुई है 10 सेंटीमीटर. Now see, look here. Now the sign conventions play very important role. The distance of object from the mirror is 15 centimeter. Then we call it negative sign. This is the role of sign convention. This is not simple 15 centimeter. This will be a negative of 15 centimeter. Similarly, focal length of concave mirror, it is positive. It is always positive. Now by using mirror formula, focal length of कॉन्वेक्स मिरर होता तो हम क्या करते. अगर हम यहाँ पर पूछें कि कॉन्केव मिरर की फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर तो कॉन्केव मिरर की फोकल लेंथ कैसी होती है. आप यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज कॉन्केव, दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स. तो हियर दिस इज इट्स फोकल लेंथ इज दिस. हियर फोकल लेंथ ऑफ दिस इनसाइड दिस इज पॉजिटिव सो दिस इज नेगेटिव. सॉरी, इट विल बी अ negative side. Now we will use this formula. By using mirror formula we can able to find. So by 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. This is a mirror formula. We will use this mirror formula. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. 1 upon v हमें मालूम नहीं है plus 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 10. Now simple mathematics is there but you should very careful. What will be the 1 upon v? 1 upon v will be 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon minus 15. Now see, in mathematics we cannot tolerate negative sign in denominator. Always remember. So this will comes upside minus 1 upon 10. Negative will come on this side, negative plus this will be 1 upon 50. Now these are in fraction form, okay, rational form. So we can take this LCM. What should be the LCM? It is 30. So minus 3, 10 30s are 30, 3 1s are 3 plus 15 2s are 30, 2 1s are 2. This comes out to be minus 1 upon 30. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. So when we cross multiply, v will be equal to negative 30 centimeter. Means what? If object size is 15 centimeter, if object is placed at 15 centimeter, then image is forming just the double 30 centimeter. Negative sign shows this is a real image. Okay, we can take in the mirror, on the plane negative side. And now we want to know what is the so nature is, we can able to see nature. Nature is what? Nature, real, and all the real images are inverted. This is just reverse side. Now as we know that magnification M is equal to height of image upon height of ऑब्जेक्ट, और ये किसके इक्वल होता है -v/u के. सो हाइट ऑफ इमेज हमको दी हुई है यहाँ पर, ओके, which implies that h2/h1 is equal to -v/u, and which implies that h2 we have to find out what is the size of image. h1 1 centimeter is the given over here, -30/-15. So negative 30, this is +30/-15, h2/1, 15 2s are negative will be over, then h2 is equal to -2 centimeter. Negative means inverted. The height of the object is double the height of the size of the object. So image is the double and inverted. So this is the answer of this question. This is answer. So that is how we are able to solve. Thank you very much.